आइए मिलते हैं इस म्यूजियम के क्रिएटर श्री रोहन पाटे।
यस।
तो सर इस रूम के बारे में क्या खासियत है?
ये लेजेंड्स रूम है जहां आपको क्रिकेट के सारे दिग्गज मिलेंगे। टू स्टार्ट विथ यू कैन सी हियर 10,000 रन जिन्होंने वनडे में 10,000 रन किए उनके यूज्ड बैट्स। सो लाइक यू कैन सी फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग सचिन तेंदुलकर 18,000 मोर देन रन्स, संगकारा 14,000 अबव, रिकी पॉन्टिंग, सनत जयसूर्या। लाइक सी एवरी बैट हैज इट्स डिफरेंस। अगर आप उसका देखोगे तो विड्थ देखोगे, तो उसकी थिकनेस देखोगे, तो उसका मैच यूज्ड चीज़ें देखोगे, तो फॉर एग्जांपल कोई ना कोई तो बैट पे कुछ ना कुछ तो चीज़ें लिखी है। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 96 वर्ल्ड कप में सनत जयसूर्या वाज मैन ऑफ द सीरीज। दैट इज दैट बैट व्हेन ही स्कोर्ड those runs and which he was man of the series. This is this bat.
Absolutely.
So Rahul Dravid, Mr. Dependable, Brian Charles Lara. Everybody will be shocked. Like person like Dilshan was also has crossed 10,000 runs. Dhoni, Virat, and Gale. Sir Don Bradman, who was the father of our game cricket, the gentleman's game.
Yes.
You can see on this bat his record, his stats. Everything, like his average was 99.94. Before Bradman era, you can say WG Grace, Victor Trumper, and Sir Ronald Bradman. Again 10,000 runs, but these are in test matches. None other than Sunil Gavaskar, who first person to score 10,000 runs and enter this thing. You might see certain holes on this bat.
Yes, sir.
So that's a unique bat. What he tried to experiment. He used it, I think so, in 3 or 4 test matches. The thing was behind that. The holes from here are smaller, but behind there are bigger holes. The practical thing was that the bats were heavy on that day.
Yes.
So air could pass through. When the bat came down, the air could pass through and the bat could become lighter. So that was the motive. That's why these holes were done by Duncan Fernley. The wall of Indian cricket, Rahul Dravid, I think so, he scored 100 against West Indies. That's that bat. He is not written on it, but that's that bat. Jack Callis, one of the best all-rounders you can say. There were 2 great all-rounders according to me. One was Sir Gary Sobers and one was Jack Callis. And what do we talk about Sachin Tendulkar? He's the god of cricket, and you can say he's been he was known for his MRF bats. You can see his MRF bat. All those era, those guys who played in 90s and 80s and 70s, he was a master class. He was known for something else. You can see his Fire in Babylon. You should see for West Indies how West Indies cricket emerged. You should see a Fire in Babylon, that movie. That will show you what is West Indies cricket.
Was it easy for you to get this bat or काफी difficult?
I'll tell you one thing simple. कोई भी चीज सिंपल नहीं थी, वो गौतम गंभीर हो या आज का कोई भी प्लेयर हो, सिंपल कुछ भी नहीं होता है, because they are attached to them. All those things are attached to them. But what happens when you show them the museum, when they come and see here, so they believe that it's going to the right place and where people can see it, and they believe that their fans can come and see it, feel it, take photos of it, and that memory stays with everything. We were retired long back, but
Absolutely.
people, how they remember by seeing that feeling, that this thing. Any international player also comes here, feels that, oh, I am with my legends, I am feeling that atmosphere. So whether it is a regular human being or whether it is a top class player, everybody feels that I am with my heroes surrounding me.
Absolutely.
This is my favorite section. You can say World Cup winning teams, World Cup certain year section signed by certain teams. You can see here it's 2015 World Cup. All the World Cup participants which participated, like 10 teams participated, you'll find from each and every all 15 members signed bats over here.
Amazing.
So that is and personally done by all players and given it to me. So it's not that what I do is I print the names and then take the signature above the name. So whose signature it is, otherwise with such kind of signature you will be able to understand what signature who is doing.
कितना समय लग गया आपको ये सारे सिग्नेचर्स कलेक्ट करने?
वर्ल्ड कप स्टार्ट होते ही पहले हफ्ते में खत्म हो गया था.
Great.
What I do is mostly practice games पे ही खत्म कर देता हूँ. इमरान, you know, in 2014 I met him in Delhi. He was there for some function, so for Aaj Tak or something. So Kapil Paji introduced me to him and this thing. So I was You know, at one go, how many signatures he signed for me?
How?
170.
117.
70. 170.
Okay.
And patiently, he didn't say anything, Rohan, this, that. Done anything more? Thank you. And I can proudly say, I am the only collector in the world to have all the World Cup winning teams with me.
How great is that?
Nobody is having this. So that's a different and unique things what you'll see here in this museum and why you should be here. This is, you can say, from moving from cricket batsman's game, bowlers are also known for it. Cricket is not a game only for batsmen, it is bowler's game also, but people believe that it's a batsman game. Seeing this, all these terrific numbers, all those who have taken more than 300 wickets in test matches, their ball signed, 400 wickets and 500 wickets. So naming from in those 500 above, certain greats are there, Muralidharan, Vaughan, Anil Kumble. As we saw World Cup winning teams, these are the World Cup winning captains on one bat.
Okay.
So this is a fabulous thing. Again, a unique thing to have on all the captains on one bat. Very rare thing to see.
Absolutely.
And Desmond Haynes gave me this bat. This is a 1992 first color clothing World Cup. All the teams have signed with this bat, front and behind, all with the pen. They have signed the bat.
Super.
ये तो इंडियन क्रिकेट के लेजेंड दादा.
कौन सा वर्ल्ड कप विन आप प्रेफर करते हो, 83 या 2011?
देख सकते हो 119 वहाँ से लेके उनकी आखिरी 100 है. धोनी को 2012 में बॉल डालते डालते ये जूते फट गए. सो ये वो जूते हैं.